Mike Callicrate, why don't you tell us a little bit more about Ranch Foods Direct?
So I've got some history with Colorado Springs. We started Ranch Foods Direct in 2000. And I started Ranch Foods Direct because I couldn't be in the commodity cattle business anymore, the industrial model of cattle and beef production.
Do you know where your family's meat comes from? If you purchase at the local supermarket, you don't know. It may have been imported and most likely was produced with hormones and antibiotics. When you buy meat from Ranch Foods Direct, you know you're buying quality, raised and processed in the U.S. For all this quality, you pay very little more, if any. Come in today. I personally guarantee your satisfaction.
Naturally tender, naturally better. Ranch Foods Direct.
I chose to fight the big meat packers, saw them as manipulating the markets and really hurting producers by reducing their share of the consumer dollar. And so in order to stay in the cattle business, I had to get in the meat business. And so I started Ranch Foods Direct in 2000, came to Colorado Springs because this is where GNC Packing Company was, a really great little small slaughter facility. And as time passed, they went out of business, so we started slaughtering our own animals on site on our farm in St. Francis, Kansas, and bringing carcasses here to Colorado Springs. But we've always worked very, very hard to create the alternative to the big industrial model. But I continue to realize how hard it is to really impose the better food system on a broader scale, because we're coming up against market power, we're coming up against political power, big money power of the big companies who aren't going to die easily.
Yeah, and I want to definitely talk about that today more. We should tell people too, so you have two retail marketplaces, the market on Fillmore and Hancock, and then you also have
We have the town center location, which is our main processing plant, where we bring in our carcasses and cut them up, but also it's a food hub. So we house the Southern Colorado Virtual Farmers Market. We house Biteable Foods, which is our shipping and mail order platform. We also house Mountain Pie Company, Matt Campbell, that makes his mountain pies there. Mm-hmm. And we also provide a pickup for Ahava Farms, the CSA out at Peyton. Comes in every Friday with 200 or 300 people. Right. It's pretty awesome. So yeah, we do everything we can at that town center location. Not only just a retail store for customers to come in anytime they want, but we really want to try to make it the hub of local regional food and build from there bigger.
Awesome.